Yeah. Now let's see as part of Python for AWS. Now let's see first Python program using Spider IDE. If you remember, I said once we install Anaconda Python, we get Spider IDE by default. How can we know Spider IDE is installed or not? Open Anaconda Navigator. I already opened Anaconda Navigator. Here you can see Spider IDE. Spider IDE. Let's click on Spider IDE. Click on Launch button. Spider IDE is also one of the most popular IDE for writing Python programs. I already created a program, that's why it is showing. Let me close this one. Let's click on New button. Here you can see New file. New file. Let's click on New file. Let's click on New file. Here I'm writing a Python program. So print welcome to Python world, and I'm taking a equal to 10 and b equal to 5, result equal to a plus b. Then print a and then print b and print result, and then save this program using Control S, and you can save this program into our workspace location. Let's say our workspace Python for AWS. Here I'm giving test.py. Test.py. Now, once we created a file, here you can see run button. You can see run button. Click on run button. You can see output here. Along with output, you can see variable types. So compared to other, debugging is look better in Spider IDE. You can see what is the value of a variable, b variable, result variable. It's showing. Okay. So clear writing how to write a first Python program using Spider IDE. Okay.